Hey guys, Jason here. I was going to give you guys a little update about what I've been working on. Even though I haven't been doing much, I have been making some headway on my UTV. I messed up, put the torqued the head studs too tight, and ended up breaking the engine block in my Honda Talon. So if you do get aftermarket head studs, do not torque them into the block. The aluminum block will crack. You need to lightly snug them into there, and make sure you talk to someone like Greg Bell about Bell racing engines. Make sure you talk to him before you do any install and thoroughly get the proper instructions. And other than that, I ended up sending the motor out to Greg. I sent the block out there. He swapped everything out. It looks awesome. He's been sending me pictures as he goes. And in the meantime, I pulled my cage off, got it powder coated. I'll switch it around so you can kind of see. Started doing a wrap on it. So kind of here's the progress right now. So I got my suspension all repowder coated, so I'm putting that back on. And then cage powder coated, the roof. I'm putting dome lights in. I put a Switch Pro in here. You can see down here. So I think it's coming together pretty good. It'll be really nice to have everything powder coated and fresh because it's kind of been a work in progress. And then here's our new Go Ride high clearance radius rods we built. And then with this particular kit, we have these upper radius rods here. These are going to go. So this is the X model, but it's going to have one here, and then it's also going to have one here in this other stock mount. And the reason I'm doing that is because the trailing arms, so you'll see it, we put tabs here, and then we also have the tabs on the spindle. So I had broken, originally, like in a really hard hit, I had sheared the tabs off of the cast aluminum spindle. So then I have a bolt-on plate kit. I just got them repowder coated. They're right here. Let me flip my camera. But they're right here. They're these little bolt-on gusset kits for the rear radius rods. And built those, and that reinforced it and fixed it. But then what was happening is that load was moving to the aluminum spindle, and it was shearing those like 10 millimeter studs. So then that load moved to there and was shearing the studs off. So what I've done now is added a radius rod so there's one radius rod that holds the aluminum spindle upright, and then another one that holds the radius arm, so that what's happening is when the shock bottoms out, it's trying to twist it. It's popping those, breaking those studs. And that's why like Jamie Campbell doesn't even use the stock rear one. I'm sure they make a different hub, and then they put the radius rod directly to the trailing arm. So mine's a little different in the way that it lets you not have to get a billet rear spindle upright. You can still use a stock one, and I think I'll show you guys some pictures when all this goes together, but I think it's actually going to look pretty cool with those dual upper billet radius rods, and then the high clearance aluminum ones. I think once it goes together, it's going to be pretty trick looking, and it's going to be super strong. So anyway, all in all, it's going together good. And we just did a weld it yourself 2-seat Talon cage. Those should be in any week. I got 10 of those ordered. I got, like 5 of them sold right now. And we'll be packaging those up on the site and on our Go Ride site and shipping those out. So anybody wants a weld it yourself 2-seat Talon kit. And the cage is all tab and slotted, goes together. We'll make like an install video for that. And anything else I can think of? I think that's about it. I'm sure once I get off here, I'll have something to add. But anyway, that's it for now. We're still chipping away, and just put new graphics. Got some Go Ride graphics, some hinge ventures. If you guys ever want to go on UTV rides, in Arizona, we're out here by Anthem Phoenix area. So if you ever want to go UTV in with us, hit us up. Or Hinge Ventures, do dirt bike ride tours in Baja and UTV tours. So hit us up, PM me. PM Hinge Ventures, Steve or Justin, and put a ride together. But anyway, look forward to riding with you guys, and keep you updated.